So, good evening, sir.
Very good evening to you, ma'am. Also,
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I am fit as a fiddle. Thanks for asking.
Okay.
Okay, so we are meeting first time, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So, I want
yeah.
to know about you. So, introduce yourself first in a nutshell.
Oh, definitely, ma'am. Why not? First of all, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I am Raju Kumar from Bihar and district in Sitamarhi. If I talk about my qualification, I have done my 10th and 12th class from my native place. Now I am pursuing engineering from South India. And if I talk about my hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to some new people. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, lovely introduction to your side.
Okay, ma'am.
And wonderful to hear that. So, you belong to Bihar. So, I also belong to Bihar.
Okay, really amazing. So, would
Yeah.
you like to introduce yourself? Yeah, yeah. I want to know about you, ma'am.
Yeah, of course, of course, of course. So first, let me introduce myself. So my name is Pooja Sahu. I am connecting to you from Delhi and talking to my qualification. So I have done 10 pass CBSE board from Delhi 2013. As well as I have done basic computer courses. Apart from that, I am learning this language. I am married. I am homemaker and I am running my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Pooja Sahu, English Learn with Passion. So that's it all about me.
Oh, that's really amazing. So, which part of the Bihar side you are?
Yeah, Darbhanga. I belong to
My
Darbhanga.
God, you are my neighbor. Like I'm Sitamarhi. I did my graduation from Darbhanga.
Okay.
I did Mithila University. I did, yeah, from the railway station beside the one college, MLSM there. I did there. I graduation there.
Okay.
Uh, Many times I went there in Bangalore, Darbhanga. Yeah,
Hmm. That is I'm saying to you. I'm glad to hear that.
yeah. I am also very happy talking with you. Your same place. Now you are living in Delhi. But I was born in Delhi, but I stay in sometimes Bihar and sometimes other states from US.
Okay. So I can say we are same page. We are on the same boat. Yeah, because I was born in village and grew up in village, but it's come to studying. So sometimes some studies I was studying village area, and some studies I was.
We can discuss any topic. Like, do you have any topic? That topic we can discuss 5 and 10 minutes.
Okay, yeah, of course. And do you have?
Yeah, yeah. I have lots of topic, but if you are ready, then I will say you. But
Yeah,
if you
I'm
have, then you
ready.
can.
I'm ready for that. Yeah, I'm ready for that. I will try my level best.
Okay. So one more topic I have: love marriage versus arranged marriage. Which one is better? What do you think?
Okay. Why? What is the reason of came into mind? So okay, let's try to speaking. Let's try to describe this topic.
Actually, no, no, actually, last day in my college, there is a one debate: love marriage versus arranged marriage. Who wants to speak that topic? And
Okay.
that time there is no one who speak. No one speak very well. Only I speak sometimes, but other people don't speak anything. That's why my sir
Okay.
is given that topic. Definitely, I will ask my conversation video. Someone is ready to do. Otherwise, no problem. I can speak.
No. I'm ready for that. It's okay. It's okay. Uh, According to me, you know what? Both are huge different. Not a huge
Yeah,
little different, because when you get married, when you get married, parents according. So
yeah,
what will do? What will happen? So everyone respect to you, and would be your wife, you all the time respect to you, and calling you respect to you, and you have and because after getting married, gradually understanding started each other, right?
Yeah,
And right, and if you want to eating anything, so any if you get married, if you do if you get sorry if you get arranged marriage, so everything she try to understanding, and she support all the time. Okay, but love marriage, so it's very different, and you try to both are friend. You are
yeah, yeah,
you are Yeah, you are all the both are friend, and already very well about each other. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
it's very difficult, and it's very difficult after getting married. You sometimes they started taunting, and yeah, and it's a very what uh, which time it came to my when did you start talk married to you, this time we started arguing with each other. Right.
yeah. But I am also supporting like arranged marriage also, but I'm in favor of the love marriage because now topic not a real life. I'm having an love marriage in a
Now
topic.
what topic we are started topping, so whatever I am feeling, we and whatever we are facing, so
Yeah.
we
So
try to we try to speak up. I'm everyone not and you are like a love marriage, so you try to convey you try to speak up your experience, whatever you
yeah,
are
yeah,
facing, whatever you are facing situation, whatever you are dealing with your wife after getting
yeah, yeah,
married, who the we are also loved before married, and I am getting married, yeah, I get married, I get arranged marriage, so I am talking to arranged marriage, and I also arrange marriage, so all the time I try to make him happy to my husband, so and
yeah,
he will happy, yeah, when will happy, and what should I do for him that he will be happy with me.
yeah, definitely.
Arranged marriage,
Um,
love marriage, you will do you will get you will get a love marriage or whatever. You try to make her happy.
yeah, yeah, definitely. You are saying right, but
You will try to understanding with her.
yeah, but
That's
not
it. I
every time. Not every time. Sometimes like happen. I saw so many cases. So many girls did arranged marriage. After the arranged marriage, lots of things happening. They don't know each other very well. They can't
and
understand each other.
yeah, and you know what? An arranged marriage, if you get, so what happens? They all the time respect your elder, respect your in-laws, family, respect your family. Okay.
Yeah, it's totally right. But one thing is also you can do love marriage. After that, you can do arranged marriage. This is not good.
Yeah,
What do you
this
think?
is, and if you want to get married to them, to her, so yeah, it's okay, and I can't explain too much in that topic, but everyone mentality is different. Everyone,
Yeah, yeah,
it is different, so how can, and some more people they also want to get married, get love marriage, or some more people they get married arrange. Okay, and it's up to you. If you want to, if you want to get married parents according, it will be better for
better.
you.
Yeah, it is really
Okay.
better for you, also society. Everyone
Or
respect you, and but do you know things? It's like we are average people and high people. They are average people thinking like that. But if I talk about higher businessman and other higher levels. Uh, manager like this. They are doing love after that arrange. What do you think? So, do you know one case Mukesh Ambani, the son? They doing after love marriage after that they did arrange marriage. But
Yeah.
if I talk about average people, they are thinking too much. Saying my society saying like this, my family saying like this. But what about the other people? They are not think like that. Big businessmen, they are not think like that. No one say anything to me. Why?
Mm-hmm. Correct. And other thing, and the another thing I want to add. Hello,
You can add.
you are
Yeah,
not
tell me,
busy.
man. You can. I am
Okay,
not visible.
no.
Wait, man. But
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
am not.
Mm-hmm. You are not. Yeah, you are
I
very
am.
busy right now. Yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So you know what? And you are a sensible person. You are education person. So
Yeah,
parents also listen to your words.
yeah,
Okay, and you stand your foot, and you are achieve something in your life. So parents also agree with your point. Okay, if you want to get marriage, love marriage and arrange, it's up to you. And whatever is running in your mind, so you can give your thought. Okay,
yeah,
I.
yeah. That is the right point. People can think. Some people. You have also seen so many cases. Child like a student in 10th class, and girls also 10th and 12th class. They are falling in love after the 3 months after the completing 10th and 12th class. They are getting the love marriage, and after that, the life both of guys like love life is like totally different. If I say one example, they are both doing job and
Mhm.
earning too much money. They don't that time don't they don't have this types of mindset. Mature guys that time. After the 5 years, 10 years, they thought, oh my god, I totally based my future for loving, and now I am eligible to get married, but I did marry since my childhood, like 18, 16, 17, 15 years.
So
Not so many. 15,
that
yeah.
you are not visible. Okay, so I think I have to wrap up the session. We can continue the session tomorrow. Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Because you are not
Uh,
visible. I you know I'm not able to see you properly.
Oh, some network problem. That's why we are
Yeah.
not.
And I think
Uh,
your phone is network is finished. So that's the reason. Okay, we can connect next day. Is it okay?
yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah, yeah, it's okay, man. Thank you so much, man.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
yeah,
man.
bye
Thank you.
bye and have a good night.
Oh, okay, man. Thank you so much, man. Okay.
It's